I mean, that's how money works. You can do the same thing with money. You can make money flow to you, and not just one way. You can have several streams and rivers and flows of money coming in. And you have to understand it like that. There's no less of it now than it was when ever in time. There's more of it now than ever. And there's more ways to get it now than ever. So if you're calling money bad, evil, you don't need it, money can't buy happiness, man, that's just a cop-out. Anybody that says that is just trying to excuse themselves from the game. But I'm going to tell you what, as long as you're breathing, as long as you have life, you can't excuse yourself from this game. The game goes the fuck on. It's not going to stop just because you don't want to play it. So you have to get it right in your mind on what money is and how to use it and how to benefit yourself and the people you love from it. You got to use it as the ultimate tool. And not even as the ultimate tool. You just got to use it as a tool. Because there are other tools just as important, if not more so, like your creativity.